Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix SOS only issue on iPhone. Imagine a day when we cannot use most basic functions of our iPhones such as making calls or surfing the internet. This is something that can happen now with the SOS only issue on iPhone. This is the issue faced by many iPhone users. So in this video I will help you understand that SOS only means on iPhone and how to fix the error. Our step number one is turn on and off cellular data. If a SIM card is inserted into your iPhone and no cellular service is available, there might be a silly issue with your device. You can try turn off cellular data and turn it on again to see if the issue is still there. After this, then you have to do is simply turn on and off your airplane mode. This method lets you quickly restart your wireless connection apart from Bluetooth. This can thus help you to turn off SOS only on your iPhone. To do this, you have to scroll down from the right corner of your screen and you can see your option airplane mode. Simply enable it, wait for a few seconds and again disable it. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is reinsert SIM card. All, Although rare, network connectivity can also be caused by a physical SIM card. In such cases, you can take the SIM out, put it back inside, and see if that's help. However, if you are using eSIM on your iPhone, don't reset it unless your carrier advises. So guys, after trying these three steps and you're still facing the issue, then it's advisable to do reset network settings on your iPhone. Since none of this method help you to turn off SOS only on your iPhone, let's erase all the connections it has made. To do this, you have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Again, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.